Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add section on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, if you notice, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. So then you'd like just go here to the URL, type asana.com and hit the enter button. And of course, that will actually take you into this page, which is the home or the main page. Of course, before start using the website, you would like to go and actually log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything. You can just go and create your you can just go and create your account. You can even create your account with the Gmail if you don't want to go through all boring steps of creating your account. So of course, as we said, if you want to add a section on the Asana website, so all you need to do is a simple thing is to have a projects first. So of course, if you don't have any projects here in your workspace, all you need to do just go here and click at create, then click at projects, choose whatever suits you from here, and you will be good to start. So of course, when you do that, or if you already have a project, you'll find everything here on your workspace. So let me just go and click at whatever projects here. So of course, that will actually be your home or your main screen. You could be here at the overview, or you can be here at the list. So of course, if you are not at the list, just go and click on that. And if you want to actually add a section, all you need to do here at add text, just go and click at this flash right here, which is pointing to the down. So when you click on that, as you can see, you can add a section. And as you can see, you can even add this with keyboard with a tab N. So if you click at tab N, that will actually add a new section. Of course, you can name it whatever it is. So let me name it test. And of course, in this section, you can add whatever tasks you want. So of course, when you click here at the plus icon, you will be able to add some tasks. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.